Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video, and also welcome to sunny Sheffield where it's raining, unfortunately. Right, so what we've got here is a Porsche Caymen S. It's a 2009 Gen 2 vehicle. What we've done on this vehicle is we've done an infotainment upgrade with the KENWOOD wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay system. We've also done front parking camera and rear reversing camera. So I'll show you inside this vehicle because this looks really nice and it's a fantastic upgrade for anyone with a Porsche. I'll show you now. Right, so this is the rear of the vehicle. What we've done in here, we've fitted a reverse camera up underneath the reg plate area there. You can see how sort of discreet this is. But I'll show you this inside and working. Works really well, fits well, works well. I'll show you the front camera as well now. Okay, so this is the front of the vehicle. So what we've done is we've fitted a little camera which is just underneath the reg plate there. This works really well. And what we'll also show you is we've put like some grid lines on this, so you can actually sort of be able to see the depth perception from inside the vehicle. But I'll show it you now. Okay guys, so we're now inside out of the rain. So let's just quickly show you. So this is the system there. It actually fits really nice. Excuse some of the fingerprints on there. I should have wiped that before doing the video. But this will actually work with the steering wheel controls here. So the tracks forwards and backwards, volume up and down, and answer and end. What we've also got in here is the microphone for the Bluetooth, and we've got the DAB aerial. So what I'm now going to do is start the vehicle and show you everything in operation. So I'll just give it a quick start up. So what we've got there is, first and foremost, we've done the nice Porsche boot up logo, which is just really tricky. It's nice and in keeping with this. Like I said, it looks great in the vehicle. So as you start the vehicle up, you'll get this warning. Now, if I don't touch the screen after 10 seconds, this will turn off. If I just touch the screen, that message will go away. So you can see here, this is actually, I'll just turn the volume down so you can hear me. So this is now started up. So currently at the minute, I'm actually connected to this Samsung phone here. So, and we're also connected wirelessly. So you can see this is doing wireless Android Auto. Now, adding Android Auto, especially obviously if you're into your technology, the Android phones really are cracking, and this gives you pretty much all the functionality you'd want from your phone. So at the minute, this is a split screen, so this is giving us sort of ideas on directions, it's giving us information on the music that's playing and also my maps. With this, I could press my button there, my voice control button, and we could talk to the unit to find the nearest petrol station, or you could find shopping centres, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the steering wheel control buttons. So at the minute, this is our volume, and as you can see, that's increasing and decreasing the volume, and obviously this is the this is the tracks forwards and backwards. And then again, you can see that's changed that. And also the answer and end buttons on the steering wheel will work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you the cameras, because I did talk about those outside. So if I pop the vehicle in reverse, what we're going to get now is we're going to get the image of behind us. And as you can see there, that gives me a really clear image of behind the vehicle and where I was to reverse to. And then if I take that out of reverse, that will actually then default back to the front camera. And again, you can see here when I was showing you outside, that's the line at the front of the vehicle, and we've set the little red marks, which are the grid lines on there. But this gives me quite a good view of in front of the vehicle there, because obviously I can't see the end of the bonnet. Now, when I put it back, take it out of reverse, you can see that stayed on for 10 seconds and flip back. I can actually at any time go in and press my camera button. It'll give me my default to rear, but I can touch the screen and go to front. So if I was pulling up to something or parking, I can actually choose my front and rear cameras on the touch screen. And then if I press my camera button, it then goes back to my normal screen. So let's just go into the normal home screen on the stereo. So this KENWOOD unit is the KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. This really is a first-class unit, to be totally honest. So this gives us DAB digital radio, it gives us AM FM radio, it gives us a USB-C, which is actually in the glove box hidden out of the way. This is currently using Android Auto at the minute, although it can also do Apple CarPlay, both wired and wireless. Obviously this is his phone book, because we're plugged in, it's giving us the Android Auto phone book. This has a HDMI input, it has an AV in and AV out. It also has a facility for wireless mirroring on a phone. One of the other trick things with this is this has the audio setup. So this allows us to fully customize the audio. So we can adjust the listening position, we can adjust the EQ. So this allows us to tweak the EQ to suit the sound. But realistically, we can make this system sound however you want, and truly in any vehicle this is going to make it sound a lot better. So for further information on upgrading your system in your Porsche or any vehicle, give the specialists a call on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching.